Abby and today I'm going to cook scrambled almond. You need half cup almonds, crushed, 2 whole eggs, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, and that's pretty much it. Crack the eggs and whisk them thoroughly till they're nice and blended. Now add brown sugar to the eggs and whisk again. You don't have to rush, this is not a marathon, so be patient with the blending part. Meanwhile, you can heat little ghee or coconut oil in the pan on a low flame. Now add the almonds to the oil and slightly roast them. Make sure about the quality of oil that you're using here. I do not recommend using oils other than ghee or coconut oil. You won't get the same health benefits if you're going to use some other kind of oils. I'm not a fan of keto, but since this is a high-fat recipe, so this can be consumed in keto diet also. Once they are nice and golden, add in your eggs and brown sugar mixture and cook them with almonds. The mixture will start holding all the almonds together. It will hardly take a minute for the eggs to cook with almonds. Now you can dish it out. You can use extra almonds for the garnishing to make it look more presentable. This is my special quarantine recipe that would help you to kill fat by eating fat. And do let me know if you want to watch more of such weight loss recipes under 5 minutes. Till the next video, stay blessed, stay healthy. Oh, I forgot to mention, don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.